Sa akin ka titingin, ha? Kakantahin mo. Lakas na mo, tita.
When you said that you would never leave me, you told me more.
Kanino inaalay yan?
So much more than I was saying.
Ayan ang posisyon ng singer ko ngayon, ha?
In my
Siya po si Imelda.
in my heart,
Ito yung lyrics na kinakanta niya.
I remember all the times that you held you forever.
Yan, tinititigan niya ako.
But when you said
Natatawa siya. Pagkatapos niyan, Dancing Queen.
Yesterday,
Ikat natin siya. Sige na, sige na, kanta na. Ala, nasira ito nun.
I wasn't prepared to face this kind of burden from within. I've learned to live my life this time.
Yan yung oras. Tandaan niyo yung oras. Patay na. Yan, lahi dyan.
Once again, I keep dreaming to my head.
Okay, cut natin. Next song na. Mas alam niya yan eh. O, bilis. Tita, tumayo ka kaya? Sumayo-sayo ka na lang. Yan. Di siya chubby.
You can do nothing is out of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch them singing, digging your dancing queen.
Di siya mukhang 53.
Saturday night, I like to love. Looking for the place.
Huwag mo sirain yung USB ko. Mahal yan. Kingston yan, Kingston. Magkakatulit tayo. Yung fame naman.
Everybody could be that guy.
Yan, yan. Dito ka sa tingin na. Yan.
Every time you're in the program, when you get some time, you're like a dancing queen, young and sweet, oh, 17. Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine, oh yeah. You can dance, you can dance, everything is kind of alive. Ooh, see that girl, watch them sing, sing the dancing queen.
Yung bata nakawala sa kurat.
For